This sound activation is for those feeling eager and in between. Over the next few minutes, you'll be gently guided by music, words, and breath to align yourself with the astrological energies shaping this moment. So settle in, close your eyes, and let this sound carry you exactly where you need to go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Dear friends, each day we gather here, hearts from every corner of the globe, to share a breath, a quiet pause, and send the light of our love into a dark world. Breathe in. Today, we send the light of our love to those standing at the edge of everything they've been waiting to begin. To the ones who can feel the turning, but can't quite name it yet. Breathe in. Breathe out. To those whose wanting has outrun their readiness, whose hunger is real, but whose timing is still catching up, we send our light. To those hovering in the last hours of a long threshold, not yet begun, but no longer the same. May the wanting teach us what we're worth. I release what I've been carrying into this ending dark. I trust that the freedom I sense at the edges is real. I do not need to rush the door. I am already close. I let this stillness be the last breath before the first step. I am ready without needing to prove it. There is a version of longing that clarifies, and a version that inflates. Today we are asked to know the difference. The hunger is real. Honor it. Today, the threshold hums with almost. Let the wanting be precise. Not everything that shines is the thing. The clearest desire is usually the quietest one. trust the one that's been waiting patiently, not the one that's been shouting. The fog is lifting, but hasn't fully cleared. And into that almost clarity comes an unexpected crack of light. A small but real freedom arriving from an unlikely direction. At the same time, desire is running ahead of wisdom today, boldly wanting things the heart hasn't quite caught up to yet. Slow just enough to let them meet. Tomorrow brings a new moon, and this is the last dark, the final exhale. This is a day for releasing the old want, so the true one has room to land. May your day be filled with love and light.